Hello, students. In this video, we're going to dive into something you see all around you. The amazing shape called the rectangle. So, we're going to explore its unique properties and a special kind of rectangle known as the golden rectangle. So, what exactly is a rectangle? Well, it's a flat shape with 4 sides, 4 corners, and 4 angles. These corners are called vertices. Each angle in a rectangle is a right angle, which means it measures 90 degrees. Another thing about rectangles is that the opposite sides are always equal in length, and they run parallel to each other. Not only that, but a rectangle has 2 diagonals, and they're equal too. If you add up all the angles in a rectangle, you get 360 degrees. Now let's talk about the area of a rectangle. The area is simply how much space the rectangle takes up. The formula for area of rectangle is L into B. For example, if you have a rectangle that's 10 centimeters long and 8 centimeters wide, the area is 80 centimeters. But there's another way to find the area using the diagonal. If you know the diagonal of a rectangle in either the length or the breadth, you can use Pythagoras' theorem to figure out the rest. Now, let's talk about the golden rectangle. This is a special kind of rectangle because its sides have a unique ratio of about 1 to 1.618. You'll find this special ratio popping up in art, architecture, and even nature. It's one of those magical shapes that just looks perfect. And here's something important to remember. The area is always a non-negative value. You can't have negative space in a rectangle. Now, here's a quick challenge for you. What do you think happens to the area of a rectangle if you double its length while keeping the width the same? Let me know your answer in the comments below. The complete curriculum for all classes is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.